Do you want to freeze the top two rows of your worksheet? As you can see, when I'm scrolling up and down, the first two rows, which are colored in green, are static. I will demonstrate to you how you can do this yourself. Hi, I am Josephine, and let's get started. To do this, what you need first, let's remove the free space I had on it, and I'll demonstrate to you how you can do it. To do this, you click on the third row. Click on a cell on the third row because you want to freeze the first two rows. Click on the third row, a cell on the third row, and go to your View tab. Click on the Free Space menu and select Free Space. And there you have it. The first two rows are static now. As I'm scrolling up and down, they are not movable. They are static. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, kindly subscribe and click on the like button. Thank you.